This is one of my favorite ways to use ChatGPT. You can use chat to summarize YouTube videos. So let's dive right in. First, you're going to need this YouTube summary with ChatGPT Chrome extension. I already have it, so for me it would say remove, but if you don't have it, this is where you would click to add this to your Google Chrome. Next, you go to a YouTube video. I have this how do you replace a broken door, and with the Chrome extension installed, this will appear and you can click here. The entire video will be transcribed. You can hit copy and then we jump over to ChatGPT to summarize. I'm going to paste in the YouTube video and ask ChatGPT to summarize the text into a 5 bullet point list. Here we see this is a pretty long video. I think it was about 15 minutes. That would take me, well, 15 minutes to watch. But here ChatGPT is able to summarize this into 5 bullet points. You can experiment with how many bullet points you want to use. You could maybe try to do 2 per minute or something like that. Maybe if you have a 15-minute video, you would want more than 5. Maybe it's the perfect amount. It takes some experimenting, but the point is ChatGPT can save you an enormous amount of time. Think about any tutorial that you want to watch. Boom, you can get all that information in seconds.